Hi, welcome to Michael's Adventures. I'm Michael. Today we are having a plumber over. Why? Because we have toilet issues. He's fixing my toilets and I thought maybe I can vlog about his work because, hey, his job helped save two from getting his nose stuck on a faucet. And also saved Five's turtle, Sam. Also, I do have a turtle myself. His name? Mitch. Which I can show him to you right now. I think he needs water. Sorry. So there's a camera right and I think that means I'm done. He's washing his hands because, hey, a plumber can also be a dirty job. I bet Mike Rowe would assisted the plumber, but his job got canceled.
Okay, everything's good now.
Okay.
Thank you.
So it's just that flush thingy?
Yeah, I cleaned that off. I never could get any water leak around that bows. I tightened the bolts up just a little bit
Okay.
and checked it real good. Think
Okay.
we're good.
Okay.
Thank
See
you.
ya.